Welcome to AI Circuit. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating your very own YouTube channel from scratch and introduce you to the exciting world of YouTube automation. Best of all, this is just the beginning. I'm continuing this course to help you master YouTube automation completely free, unlike others. This is an AZ mastery course, and you can join me on this journey by subscribing. Let's get started. The first step of our journey: setting up a YouTube channel. Start by going to youtube.com and signing in with your Google account. Don't have one? No problem. Creating a Google account is free and straightforward. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Now, before diving into customization, we need to decide on something very important: your niche. Selecting your niche. A niche is the category or subject your channel will focus on. It helps define your audience and content strategy. For example, if we want to create a channel in the AI niche, our content will revolve around artificial intelligence, automation, and related topics. Choosing a channel name. Next, you'll need a great channel name that reflects your niche. This is your brand identity, so take your time to brainstorm something unique and memorable. If you're stuck, no worries. Tools like ChatGPT can help generate creative name ideas tailored to your niche. For instance, let's say we want to create a channel related to the AI niche. The content will focus on artificial intelligence, automation, and related topics. To come up with a great name, we can ask ChatGPT for suggestions. Here's an example query. I want to create a channel related to the AI niche. The main focus will revolve around AI, automation, and related topics. Could you suggest some good YouTube channel names? With ChatGPT's help, we'll get a variety of creative and relevant channel name ideas. Simply pick the one that resonates with you and aligns with your vision for the channel. After exploring the suggestions, I really like the name AI Pulse. It perfectly captures the essence of the AI niche. Let's use this name for our channel. Now let's head back to YouTube. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. When prompted to enter a name, paste AI Pulse into the name field. Finally, click Create Channel, and boom! Just like that, you've created your very own YouTube channel. Congratulations on taking the first step toward your content creation journey. Customizing your YouTube channel. Now that we've created our channel, it's time to make it stand out. Customizing your channel is essential to attract viewers and make a professional first impression. Let's walk through the steps. Uploading your banner image. Your banner image is the first thing viewers will notice when they visit your channel. It should be visually appealing and reflect your niche. We'll use ideogram to generate a sleek and futuristic banner for AI Pulse. Here's an example prompt. Once you have the perfect banner, upload it to your channel. Adding your profile picture. Your profile picture is how viewers will recognize your channel across YouTube. We'll use ideogram again to design a professional logo for AI Pulse. Here's an example prompt. Once your logo is ready, upload it as your profile picture. Adding a channel description. Your channel description helps viewers understand what your content is about. Let's add a description for AI Pulse. Adding links and contact info. You can share external links like your website or social media profiles directly on your channel. These links will appear in your About section and on your channel banner. Additionally, add an email address for business inquiries. This makes it easier for potential collaborators or sponsors to reach you. Adding a video watermark. A video watermark adds a professional touch and encourages viewers to subscribe. You can use a simplified version of your logo for this watermark. Once ready, upload it under the branding section in your channel settings. That's it. Your channel, AI Pulse, is now fully customized and ready to impress viewers. In the next video, we'll take it a step further by optimizing your channel for maximum reach and engagement. Stay tuned to master the art of YouTube automation And don't forget to subscribe for more free A to Z guidance.